Hey guys, good morning. It's Friday and I'm off with the girls. I already did my workout for the day and now I'm making some breakfast. I'm gonna make some pancake with bananas and powdered sugar and syrup, and it's gonna be delicious. I always try to make them a special breakfast whenever I'm off because during the week it's pretty hectic. We're always busy and rushing around and stuff, so whenever I'm off, I try to make them a little special breakfast. Okay, so every time I'm home and I'm fasting, I usually get or make my bulletproof coffee. I make it with my instant coffee and then I add my Javi coffee concentrate. This is a liquid form coffee in a bottle. Just to add that into my bulletproof coffee on top of my espresso. I like to add espresso just because it makes my coffee a little bit more frothy, and the coffee concentrate just help it make it a little bit strong because I like my coffee strong. And then I added coconut oil and butter. It's really up to your preference how much coconut oil and butter you add, but I just put in just a little tiny bit of coconut oil because I don't want it too heavy and creamy. After that, you just blend it and transfer it into your mug, and the butter and the coconut oil just make it a lot more creamier, and it will get through my morning up until I could break my fast. I do intermittent fasting, and this is one way to kind of fill me up in the morning without breaking my fast, because this coffee don't have any sugar. It does have lots of fats in it, just to fill me up over the morning.
Hi guys. So I was gonna grab salad to break my fast today, but how can you resist that? And I'm sharing it with Lexi. Haven is having some chicken nuggets.
And fudgies.
And after lunch we're gonna tackle that. Go to the park.
Did you say taco that?
Tackle that. Hey guys, so it's Friday and we skipped school today. Well, I messaged all the teachers that Lexi and Haven won't be in class today because we're gonna go picnic and check out the park close by us, and it just recently opened and it's amazing, but there's a lot of people in here, so we might have to wear a mask. but the weather is a little bit gloomy, but it's very warm outside, so we're just enjoying our picnic. And they're gonna go to the park in a little bit. A little bit more. Of how is this white chocolate raspberry brownie taste like?
I don't just like raspberries, but mixed with chocolate. Really, really,
What about you, Lexi?
You know those chocolates that you can get with the inside of it? That's kind of how it tastes.
The what? Sorry, say?
That's in the raisins.
Oh, the raisin, the chocolate raisin, this chocolate coated raisins. Nice. Turned out to be a good day.
We already had chips. Then we have sushi. Then we have McDonald's. Then, like, it's like all junk now. And you're gonna believe.
Black bites of this white chocolate raspberry brownie. Oh my god. This is why intermittent fasting you going?
To get ice cream, right? Yeah. What ice cream are you getting? I don't know for sure if I'm gonna get that. Even though it's cotton candy. I want the cookies and cream or green tea or mint.
Cool. What is Daddy
Grandpa
getting?
right behind us? How did he catch up to us, man?
What are you getting?
Some sort of chocolate of some kind.
Yeah. I might get either Rocky Road or pistachios if they have pistachios flavored ice cream. And I'm gonna get 2 scoops. I could probably get 1 scoop of Rocky Road and 1 scoop of pistachios.
I don't know what you're talking about.
A park?
You know, when we turn right there.
This is our favorite ice cream junction, but there is way too much people. And this is where this adventure took us. Baskin Robbins. That is all for this vlog. I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!